Chichen Itza is a world-famous Mayan ruins complex in the municipality of Tinú in Yucatan, Mexico. This museum or set of pyramids covers a total of 80 hectares, but only 45 of them are exhibited to all the people.
History of the place. The archaeological site of the Chichen Itza was a Mayan city from the period between 525 when it was founded and 1100. Chichen Itza means mouth of the well of Itza in reference to the centel located to the north of the pyramids and which was considered a secure enclave as well as a source of essential fresh water for that city of temples and wise astronomers. The archaeological site covers 15 kilometers square and has been a World Heritage Site since 1998 and constitutes one of the best preserved testimonies of the Mayan civilization. The main discoveries. The most important revelation was the location of five architectural groups. Four properties had a residential use, and the other one had ritual purposes. Within some of these architectural places, Las Monjas or the initial series stand out. At these sites, various objects were found, such as period disc, that is a mineral that shines in a golden color, manufactured between the years 815 and 1200. A room with columns and multiple fragments of ceramic pieces was also found. Pieces and architecture. Kukulkan Castle. The so-called Temple of Kukulkan is the best known of the attractions in Chichen Itza. It has 365 steps, the exact number of days in a year. Equinoccio in Chichen Itza. The equinox in Chichen Itza occurs twice a year, March 21 in spring and September 23 in autumn. In these dates, the Temple of Kukulkan is staged and show. Summer solstice. During the summer solstice at Chichen Itza on June 22, you will witness with a moment when the north and the east faces are fully illuminated by the sunlight, while the south and west side remain in the project darkness. Ball game. The Chichen Itza ball court is 116 meters long and 75 meters wide. The players did their own thing on the ground, while on the construction like a grandstand. The spectators were accommodated. El Caracol or Observatory. El Caracol allowed to know the best playing seasons from the position of the moon, the sun, and other celestial stars. When it is location with earthquake, a great ceremony was also held, according to the importance of agriculture. The relationship between a Chichen Itza culture with a Mexican tradition or culture. If there is something that represents the history of Mexico without a doubt, is the vestiges of the Mayan culture, pre-Columbian civilization that gives name to the area known as Ribera Maya. One of the main tourist attractions of excursions in the Ribera Maya is undoubtedly a visit to the different Mayan cities that we find in peninsulas such as Yucatan or Quintana Roo, and is that the beauty of the Mayan ruins and its extensive historical content makes the Mayan culture a much highly valued by tourists. Despite this, the truth is that most people who travel to the Riviera Maya from the first time to know little or nothing about the Mayan culture that lasts from more than 300 years. So in this post, we are going to tell you the most representative customs and traditions of the Mayans. Parts of artifacts. Inside the Kukulkan castle is a stone throne in the shape of jaguar and inlaid with jade, which is presumed to be the used by the sovereign of the city when presiding over some ceremonies. The vast majority of the objects found are censers dedicated to Tlaloc, the Mesoamerican god of water, used for rituals and offerings in the late classic Maya period. The censers and the vessels discovered in Balamacu still conserve charred remains, food, seeds, jade, shell, and bones, among other elements that a Mayan offers during that time to their deities.
The museum tour of Chichen Itza ruins are amazing, even though present days is awesome to see all the technology that Mayas had reached those glory days. The museum contributes as a legacy of Mexican culture. It helps to enrich the culture, to make it bigger, also to have more diversity of temples, archaeology, information, and to understand better why they disappeared in the Spanish conquest. Isn't the only contribution to Mexico. Also, it helps for the economic touristic places, helps to the native people to sell their handcrafts. For the world is similar to Mexico, it takes bigger the diversity of cultures, contribute for some investigations about Asian cultures and what they have discovered in those times. They educate people around the world about some traditions and customs, and we want to add that some stories about Maya's culture were added in the anthologies of ancient cultures accompanied with stories like Hercules.